app breakdown, and this week I'm looking at the app Converse, which is a great tool to help you translate a phrase into a foreign language. And the two things that really stood out to me about this app were the simple UI on the home screen that makes it really clear to start a new translation, really easy to start a new translation, and the way that the settings menu has been placed up top and is hidden away from that kind of home screen. There's one little issue with it, which I'll go into later, but yeah, those are the two things that really stood out to me. So what I'll start with is I'm actually off to France in a bit, so I'm gonna try and see if it'll translate "I'd like 2 beers, please," an essential phrase I need on my trip. So I'm gonna hold "I would like 2 beers, please,"
Je voudrais 2 bières s'il vous plaît.
and I'm set for my trip now. Then to access the settings menu, I can go up the top here. Now this is the flaw, actually. I've just shown you the flaw, which is that it's hard on my iPhone S to sometimes get those top menus, and I end up pulling down the actual iOS menu settings and menu options. So that's the only thing. But the settings normally, if I tap the right bit, there we go. The settings comes down nice and clearly. And again, I like how it's clearly laid out. There's the branding up the top there. The branding's been pushed away mainly from that main home screen, which is again nice, frees it up, makes it really clear what the purpose and the job of the app is, and you can change your settings from here. So yeah, those are the two things that I really liked about the app Converse. Please go and take a look at it in the App Store and let me know what you think.